Today I will show you how to change image color in Adobe Illustrator. After watching this, you can change your artwork color in only a few clicks. So without further ado, let's get started. To change image color in Adobe Illustrator, first you need to select the artwork you want to recolor. With the selection tool selected, click to select the artwork and then to the right side, go to the properties panel. At the bottom, click this recolor button to open the recolor artwork dialog box. Colors from the selected artwork will show on a color wheel. Now you can recolor all of the selected content at once. On the color wheel, colors that Illustrator found in the selected artwork are represented by these color handles. You can change these colors in whatever way you want. For example, if you drag any of these color handles, you edit the colors for all of them. Dragging their color handle towards the middle decreases the saturation for just that one color. Now if you want to change the color individually, click the link unlink harmony color option here. Then you can drag your color handle into another area of the color wheel and notice that just that one color in the artwork changes. If you double click on one of the color handles in the color picker dialog box, you can change the color values visually or by entering the values and click OK. Now if you want, you can undo a few color changes by clicking undo changes up here or even clicking redo changes to redo them. To change the colors back to the original colors, click reset. That's really helpful if you experiment but then you want to go back. Now you can recolor artwork using predefined colors available under the color library menu here. From the color library menu, you can choose from document swatches, color groups or preset color themes to recolor artwork. You can then always edit the colors together or separately in the color wheel. Click the color theme picker button and click both vector and raster objects on the canvas to sample and apply the color. If a vector artwork is not grouped, only the object you click on will have color extracted. You can also view the weight of colors present in the artwork in the prominent colors section toward the bottom of this dialog box. The more prominent colors are categorized based on the hue and shade of the color. To adjust the weight of a color in the artwork below the color bar, move the pointer between two colors. Drag the slider to the right to make the color to the left of the slider have more weight. You can also then drag it back if you want. Once you are happy with the color, you can then save those colors in the swatches panel to reuse them later by clicking the folder icon down here. You can save all of the colors or choose save prominent colors to only save the colors shown in the prominent colors section. Once you are finished, select the selection tool and click away from the artwork to close the recolor artwork dialog box. Instead of editing the colors in your artwork separately, the recolor artwork feature gives you a powerful way to edit a series of colors quickly and visually. But if you click on this advanced option, this dialog box will have all the colors in your document and will recommend a color palette based on the color selected. Now these rectangular long color strips show the color used in your artwork. If you want to change any specific color, click on the color boxes where arrows are pointing and you can change the color of every area of artwork where the selected color was used. Now if you want to change all colors used in artwork randomly, you will find three options on the right under the current color box. Click on the first one to randomly change them all. Then the Recolor tool will use the artwork's color and randomly change them with each other. If you want to change the artwork's light, saturation and brightness randomly, click the right next option and the rightmost option is finding colors. If you click it, it makes the entire color of the artwork fade out in light gray color. Now you can find where the specific color in the rectangular color strip is used by clicking them. Illustrator will only show you where you have used these colors in the artwork. If you want your artwork to have a color harmony based on a single color from the artwork or any other color of your choice, you can have it by going to the topmost option in Recolor. Then click on the arrow and find the harmony colors which suit the artwork. Suppose you want to experiment with colors on your own manually, you can go to the Edit option tab next to Assign in Recolor Artwork. And the color wheel comes in the panel. Now click any specific color on the color wheel and drag it according to your desired color need. On the color wheel is colors the program picked up from the selected artwork. Drag any one individual color handle in the color wheel to edit them all. Click the link Unlink Harmony Colors button to unlink the colors and edit colors individually. Click OK to change the color for the selected artwork. Instead of editing the colors separately, the Recolor artwork feature gives you a powerful way to edit a series of colors quickly and visually. So we have covered almost all important options in Adobe Illustrator Recolor artwork tool. If you want to change colors manually or randomly or use harmony rules, you can do it all. The best thing about the tool is all the hectic work of manually changing every color becomes easy. Rather, you may get many beautiful colors suited to your artwork by experimenting with it. Now you can explore adding color in your own projects. I hope this video has helped you to learn how to change image color in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos like this. That's all in our part 59 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe to Easy Guide YouTube channel if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 60.